Now, next we have Mr. Rajiv Gupta, President, Policy Bazaar. It's an extreme honor to have you here, sir. We are experiencing the galaxy of intellectuals since yesterday, and again we have one of our eminent speaker with us, Mr. Rajiv Gupta. So, sir would be talking on Insuretech, something very new, sir. When we're talking about technology, the way forward for advisors. Advisors are here gaining a lot from industry leaders, sir. So, over to you, Rajiv, sir.
Hi, good morning to all of you, and thank you, Dimple, for a brief introduction. And thank you, Mr. Vyas and Deepak, for having me here today. This topic of role of advisors has been so close to my heart. If I go back to history, I was in SBI Life, managed agency channel for almost 10 years. Set up my own, company where I was, running my own company, which was resolving consumer grievances and complaints. And now I'm part of Policy Bazaar, which is a new age Insurtech, company. So to me, this topic is very close to my heart, and I'm happy, sharing my experience, which I have seen both while managing agents and both when I'm present at the Insurtech, age today. So insurance advisors to me has been the channel which has survived for more than 5-6 decades today. It is the oldest prevalent distribution channel in the country today, and it will remain. What have we seen today? What was the old agent doing? When I was young, when I used to buy my policies, I used to have agents coming to me and saying, if you can buy this policy, you will save tax. I didn't know what policy he was selling to me, but all I was interested was to invest because my company said, if you invest so much, you can save tax. No agent came and shared other than, a simple small one pager as to how much money I'll get back, as to what am I actually getting into. At a time when LIC was completely dependent on agents, to insurance industry evolving way back in 2002-03, where you had many agents visiting the same customer, the customer's awareness has slowly, increased, and the advisor's need for educating himself also has increased. If all of you recall, some of you are sitting here who are advisors, there were times when agents focused on selling products which paid them the highest commission. Agents sold products of companies with whom they partnered with. The necessary information which was required to be given to the customer was not available. The agent was not aware, or he only knew that this is the basic information and the customer would buy a product. Many agents also, encouraged customers to give incorrect declarations to help reduce premiums or to ensure policy issuance, which also resulted in claim rejections at a later date. Legacy IT systems, all these challenges were there. What has the, Insurtech industry done today? Behavior customers have evolved over the years. Earlier, they used to purchase insurance through a family member or a friend who was an agent. But now customers have access to more data online and can research it thoroughly before they take a decision to buy a policy. What do customers want now? They prefer speed, smooth claim settlement, contactless insurance. And I think the pandemic has reiterated the vitality and necessity of digitization in insurance. In a country with over 57% of active internet users, Insurtech has been a true game changer. New models like marketplaces, aggregators, using technology. So what should the insurance advisor do today? He should be, ensuring that he remains the critical mile for last delivery of insurance. Insurance agents today need to educate themselves. And I think platforms like AAFM and many other platforms provide that education to you so that when you go to the customer, you go prepared. Advisors continue to still contribute 50% of insurance business. The advantage of physical touch point and personal touch. Advisor even today is treated like a family. Let me put it bluntly, if an advisor decides, he can be the true financial planner for all consumers present in this country. provided he has sold or he has, given the products to the consumer which are right and which he doesn't regret later. It's not only about insurance, right? Today's advisor is also selling mutual funds. Today's advisor is also selling health insurance. So today's advisor should be the guide for the consumers as to what he should be doing. Help consumers choose the best insurance products. Ensure that the consumer is attended to when he has a claims issue, when he has a problem, after buying a policy. So what is needed from the advisor today? I think focus on relationship management, understand customer needs and risk appetite. Provide sound financial advisors to the customers, selling products which are in their interest rather than ones which provide the best commissions should be the objective of the advisors today. Customers should be happy at the end of the day after having purchased an insurance. And trust me, your commission will automatically go up. Consumers are aware that insurance agents make commission. Gone are the days where the customer would ask back, what are you getting, and give me back all the money. If he's making money, if he's happy, if his financial planning is done so efficiently, then you will be making a lot of money. Instead of selling one policy, you will sell 10 policies. You need to get little tech savvy as well. I think a lot of agents come from different backgrounds, and I'm sure you need to abreast yourself by becoming tech savvy, use technology a lot. Yesterday, Yashish was mentioning this. I think if you don't embrace technology, you're going to run into a problem in future. Try and encourage customers to be transparent and provide accurate declarations today. You don't want a consumer or a customer facing a problem later when he really needs the money, when he needs the claim to be settled. Upgrading skills, joining programs which can upgrade your skills, very crucial. Awareness about all financial products, not only insurance, because customers, when they meet you, they're going to ask you questions about probably mutual funds. Why is term insurance, good? Isn't mutual fund, a good investment? So if you don't have answers, then in the eyes of consumer, you're not seen as the best advisor for him. He looks at you from a limited perspective. Bottom line is the advisor owns the customer, will take the entire value of the customer. And that should be your objective. Can the customer be a profit center for you while you are the profit center for the customer? I think it works that way, right? So what is the way forward? I think I see the way forward as a hybrid model. Advisors should look at partnering with Insurtech companies and leverage their reach and tech infrastructure to provide their best support to their clients. So there are many ways you can, partner with Insurtech companies, right? Provided what I said earlier of remaining transparent, of remaining, somebody who will give products to consumers which best suits them. What do advisors get in the process? They get access to tech infra. They get partner help desk for claim services, a comprehensive CRM for customer servicing, as well as a sales assistant platform that helps simplicity, to manage their own, business. So friends, the role of advisors will continue to remain strong and will always remain strong. I remember the days in SBI Life when we started in 2004 to becoming the largest player, of MDRTs in the world, the largest producers of MDRT in the world for 3 consecutive years. I have spent time with agents across the country. I have seen through the phase of mis-selling. I have seen through the phase of good customers surviving, and even till date, 2004 and we are in 2021, I know of those customers, agents who still survive and who do well because they were different from the normal advisor. So friends, I would be extremely happy, to answer any specific questions you have, on this topic, and agents will continue to play a dominating role in this, in this industry. So Dimple, if there are any questions, I'll be happy to take them.
Thank you so much, Rajiv sir, for sharing wonderful insights on Insurtech.
Reach out today and let's do it professionally.